Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. I'm Julie Mazzoni and I want to show you 8 ways to say I love you with mosaic art. I have just mixed up a little bit of white thinset to do a repair on a different project, and I mixed up way too much. So instead of having all this go to waste, I'm going to do a little quick project. This one's really going to be fun. First, I'm going to put all this in a bag. I'm using a cradleboard that's used for poured paintings where they have to have a lip on it so that the paint doesn't go over the edge, I guess. I don't know. I like that lip. This one, it's perfect for stained glass, but I'm not doing stained glass on this one. I pulled out some scrap smalti, and I am going to just have fun with it. I am not going to do any line building. I'm going to do minimal cutting. It's going to mostly be about texture and these beautiful colors. I start by measuring out and sketching out a heart, and then I pipe the thinset on.
I still see your face. I go round and round until every sound is a symphony from my heart.
That was a fun project. I ended up using about that much of those, and I did pull a little bit from those, and I ended up cutting them more than I thought because I had a lot of pretty big pieces in there, and I wanted just little cubes, so there you go. Oops. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.